Drugstore makeup has evolved drastically, matching high-end performance while remaining budget-friendly. Modern formulas deliver incredible pigment, weightless wear, and skin-nourishing ingredients that appeal to anyone wanting seamless, reliable beauty. Our guide evaluates buildability, skin feel, versatility, packaging durability, and overall value, ensuring you invest in formulas that truly elevate your daily routine without draining your wallet.
Product number 1. L'Oreal Paris Makeup Original Telescopic Mascara, Blackest Black. The L'Oreal Paris Original Telescopic Mascara remains an iconic drugstore staple for achieving extreme length and precise separation. Featuring a patented flexible precision comb, the applicator catches even the smallest inner corner lashes, lifting and extending them from root to tip. The wet-to-set fluid formula coats each hair evenly without heavy clumping or immediate flaking. In terms of performance, the Blackest Black shade offers high-impact pigment that instantly brightens the eyes. It is particularly effective for those with straight or short lashes seeking a false lash effect without the weight of heavy waxes. While it focuses primarily on length rather than extreme density, layering 2 thin coats provides buildable volume without creating spider-like tips. The washable formula makes end-of-day removal quick and effortless, reducing eye irritation and pulling. Pros: exceptional length and separation, flexible comb wand, washable and gentle.
Product number 2. L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion, 903 Medium. L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion in 903 Medium acts as a versatile skin enhancer designed to deliver a warm, luminous finish. Formulated with nourishing ingredients like shea butter and glycerin, this lightweight formula hydrates the skin for up to 24 hours while imparting an instant glow. Its multi-use design allows you to function as an all-over illuminating primer, a subtle liquid highlighter, or mix directly into foundation for a dewier finish. Shade 903 Medium provides a sun-kissed bronzed sheen that flatters warm and tan undertones effortlessly. The formula absorbs cleanly without feeling sticky or overly greasy, making it comfortable under base makeup or worn alone on bare skin. Pros: versatile multi-use product, hydrating shea butter formula, effortless sun-kissed glow.
Product number 3. Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Liquid Foundation, Natural Beige. Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation is a benchmark liquid base engineered specifically for normal to oily skin types. It utilizes micro-powders to absorb excess oil and visually blur skin texture, leaving a soft matte finish that looks like real skin rather than a heavy mask. The natural beige shade blends seamlessly into medium skin tones with neutral to warm undertones. The lightweight fluid offers buildable medium coverage, easily covering minor redness, blemishes, and uneven tone. It resists creasing throughout the day and sets down smoothly without needing heavy powder overlays. Pros: effective oil control and pore blurring, comfortable lightweight feel, wide shade availability.
Product number 4. e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick, Glistening Peach. The e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick in Glistening Peach offers a convenient, pocket-sized solution for quick touch-ups and cohesive makeup looks. Designed for use on cheeks, lips, and eyelids, this cream-to-powder formula glides on smoothly and blends out with fingertips. Infused with shea butter and vitamin E, the stick feels creamy without melting off during wear. Glistening Peach delivers a soft, warm coral flush with fine golden shimmer, instantly brightening dull skin. It provides a sheer, buildable wash of color, ideal for minimal-effort daily makeup. Pros: compact, travel-friendly twist-up stick, 100% vegan and cruelty-free, multi-use for eyes, lips, and cheeks. Cons: shimmer finish may not suit those seeking purely matte blushes.
Product number 5. Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara is globally celebrated for providing dramatic volume at an unbeatable price point. The iconic green accented tube features a custom conic fiber brush designed to coat every lash evenly from root to tip, creating bold thickness and lift without heavy clumps. The pitch black formula builds rapidly with just a few coats, giving the appearance of falsies or lash extensions. It stays put through daily wear without noticeable flaking or smudging.
Additionally, the formula is vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens, oils, and fragrance, making it a reliable pick for budget-conscious beauty enthusiasts. Pros: unbeatable price-to-performance ratio, intense volume and dramatic length, cruelty-free and vegan formula. Cons: thick formula can dry out faster in the tube than lighter formulas.
Product number 6. Catrice Under Eye Brightener 01 Light Rose. The Catrice Under Eye Brightener in 01 Light Rose is a targeted color corrector designed to neutralize dark circles and awaken tired eyes. Formulated with color-correcting pink pigments, it counteracts blue and purple undertones under the eyes before concealer application or worn solo on low-maintenance days. Enriched with skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid and shea butter, the creamy texture provides continuous hydration without settling into fine lines. A small dab taps seamlessly into the delicate under-eye area, leaving a smooth, refreshed base. It is fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and vegan, making it safe for sensitive skin types. Pros: excellent color neutralization for dark circles, rich and hydrating ingredients, lightweight and non-creasing. Cons: pot packaging requires clean fingers or a dedicated brush for application.
Finding high-performing makeup no longer requires high-end department store prices. Whether you need the dramatic lash definition of L'Oreal Telescopic, the skin-loving radiance of L'Oreal Lumi Glotion, or the reliable coverage of Maybelline Fit Me, these budget-friendly heroes prove that quality and value can easily go hand in hand.